Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside SEB's configuration editor. You need edit privileges, so authenticate now. Once in, go straight to the browser or restrictions section to avoid wasted clicks. You will make the change there, not in the OS. First actionable step: find the options that govern tabs, pop-ups, and external applications. Make sure to keep note of the current settings so you can revert if necessary. This preserves the exam's security baseline while you change behavior. Now you adjust the middle, more detailed controls. Open the specific tab/window control entry and toggle the option to permit tab switching, or alternatively add permitted domains and host patterns so links open in new tabs. Once done, set any timing restrictions, for example, allow switching only after login or after the first page load, and confirm external app rules. Those can silently block new tabs. Make small, incremental changes and test, each to observe the security trade-offs. Finish by saving your SEB file and exporting a signed configuration if your setup requires it. Distribute the config to candidate machines or attach it to the LMS launch link, and then run a quick on-device test. If tab switching still fails, check for overrides, a stricter policy, missing app whitelist entries, or an exam-level password that forces default restrictions. If problems persist, temporarily revert and test one change at a time, so you identify the exact blocking setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.